It's Rachel with Rachel's Remedies, and today I'm going to be discussing flu season part 3, and we're going to do a poultice. Now, a poultice sounds like surgery, but it's very cheap. You have all of the things you need in your home to make your child feel better right away. The only 3 things you'll need is a hammer, a bulb of garlic, and an old rag. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're gonna do is separate off 5 or 6 cloves of garlic, and we're going to sandwich them. I fold just an old rag into quarters, and you're gonna sandwich those between the rag and then hit it with a hammer so it squashes them nice and flat. And you're just kind of opening up that garlic. I take out the little extra papers that are on the outside. You can save those for your chicken broth. They have little nutrients inside of them. You're gonna fold up your cloth and you're gonna get some hot water. I have Instant Hot, so it's instant boiling. And I'm just gonna carefully pour it onto my rag, and I want to soak it and have it nice and hot. Now let it kind of cool off for a few seconds so it's not too hot for the child. And then I'm gonna lay the child, they're probably already laying in the bed, so I'm going to press the cloth into the bottom of their foot. You want that hot kind of garlicky water going up into their foot. And then I just wrap it with another towel and put their foot on a cushion and set the timer for 10 minutes. And that's your garlic poultice. It's wonderful. Okay, so that was a poultice, and it's super, super easy, super empowering as a mom. If you know what a poultice is, you can do it with garlic, which we did today, and most people have garlic on hand. There are herb poultices, and now you know how to make a poultice. It's just fabric that with hot water on it and the healing remedy inside of it. The garlic one though has boosted. I like to do it like when they're going to bed at night, and just kind of have it. You can use plastic wrap around it, whatever you need to do to kind of keep it pressed into their skin. The bottom of your feet are the most sensitive part of your body, the most receptive part of your body. Do both feet. I only did one of Michael's feet to show you how to do it. And it's interesting because when you do it, like if you do one for yourself, you will taste garlic in your mouth within about 3 seconds. That is how quickly the antibiotic, antifungal, antiviral properties of garlic will pass into your entire system. You'll feel it in your lungs. Super quick, easy, simple, cheap way to fight the flu while you're lying down. You don't have to take it orally. It's something you can do while you're sleeping. Hope you enjoyed this video. And up next, I'll do probably a keto cheesecake. I've had a lot of comments on my keto videos, and so I want to make a cheesecake in the pressure cooker. So it should take less than 25 minutes, and then maybe I'll make some keto whoopie pies. So great, I hope to see you next time. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you later, y'all. Bye.